Yes, sir. Monoblocks. I love them. Now it is time to strip that paint. Get that ugly, ugly blue off of there quickly. And it is no match for the aircraft stripper. Okay, the casting's pretty good. Obviously, it's a newer car, so I wouldn't expect it to be all crappy. But it ain't like we're putting any kind of Spectre flame on this. We're gonna do a candy on it. But the body lines are good. There's no real ugly, casting marks, casting lines. No, it's just not aggressive enough. Well, I don't have anything rougher at this point. Not that I can find anyway. I do need to get a little more coarser sandpaper, but I do have this emery board here, and I'm not sure exactly what grit that is, but it's a lot rougher than 1,000. Okay, I mixed up some black and white Stein Res. I know I said I wasn't going to prime, but after I did a little putty work and tried to get some of the bigger nicks in there, I thought, well, maybe I'll throw one on. So I mixed up some gray. Going to put that on there and see how we fared with the putty work. Okay, well, I do have things drying up, and I've got the base, the wheels on, a little bit of detail. Nothing really needed to happen with the glass because it's a fairly new casting. There was no scratches. It's pretty shiny. Did a little bit of detail on the interior, kind of matched the paint scheme there. I didn't do any black in it though. Didn't want to get carried away, because you get carried away with it and next thing you know you screw something up and you got to redo. But I want to show that I picked up a 56 Ford panel for the shop truck build that's coming up. Everybody's going to be submitting on September 1st coming up here, so obviously the wheels got to go. This ugly Queen of Hearts card tampos and all that. I mean, they went into some detail on that, but that's got to go. I'm not big on the red glass in there, but I'll work with that. Try and bring it together. So that's going to be the shop truck come September 1st. And I'll be slapping some logos and hopefully a cool paint job, do some detail in the grill and the rear, and a little bit on the engine. So that's that. Now for the top coat, we're going to do a clear coat here with some quick clear and fast top coat hardener from Omni. I got this at a local auto store, and it's basically a 2-to-1. Get 2 of the quick clear. And we'll do 1 of the hardener. We'll give that a little mix. Alright, well, we got stuff drying over there. We'll do just a little bit of detail on the grill. I wasn't recording while I put the turn signals in there. We'll get in here and get this grill just so we get a little bit of depth in there. Alright, let's get this bad boy together. Get the windscreen popped in there. Slide the interior. Get the base. Get some screws. Alright, let's get this up on the rotisserie. So here's what we started out with. God awful blue, white stripes everywhere. They got the stock plastic wheels. Obviously this is right out of the blister. I'm not sure what year it was, but in need of a customization. So this is what we did to it. I did have, and probably noticed earlier on, that I had some flea bites error on the roof. And I believe, I noticed that when I think I was shooting black, and I didn't really have time to mess with it. So here you go. Check out my Zazzle page for some merch. Try and represent, and I thank you guys for watching.